નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Good morning children, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So today we will start our first chapter of our first term, that is let's go to school every day. You all go to school, you all love to go to school, right? But in today's this corona situation, you all can't come to the school. But before then, you all liked to come to the school. So how do you all come to the school? Different students come to school in different ways about their convenience. Some come to the school by walking or by scooter, car, bus, etc. Here in this chapter, we will see some of the ways that children use to come to the school. Okay? See, different ways to reach the school. Among them, the first one is by auto rickshaw. Now, let me show you. See, this is the auto rickshaw. You all have seen it, and you all enjoyed its ride also. Okay? Now, many of the students in our school also are coming by the auto rickshaw. It is all the students' favorite. So who uses this auto rickshaw? The students that lives far from the school, then can come to the school by auto rickshaw. You are also coming in the auto rickshaw, right? The next one is cement bridge. Do you know where the bridges are made? Yes, we can find a bridge over the river. So, in the many of the big cities, you can find a bridge on the roads also. So, the people living on the either side of the river, if they have to go from one place to another, what they can do? They can't go every time by swimming. So, they uses the bridge to go from one place to another easily and quickly. So, do you know how this bridge is made? Yes, the bridge is made from the bricks, cement and iron rods. If you have observed or seen the bridge, then you have seen that there are some stairs also in the bridge. Okay, the next one is boat. Where you will find the boat? See, this is the boat. I hope many of you have taken ride of it. Yes? So, where you can find this boat? Yes, this boat is used in the regions that is covered with water. In Gujarat, many of the places are covered with water. So, the people living in such regions use boats to travel from one place to another. So, in such regions, students also have to go to the school by boat. See, I will give you one example. You all have seen Bet Dwarka, right? So, Bet Dwarka is also surrounded by water. So, the people living there, they use boat. The next one is camel cart. See, this is the camel cart. You can see that there is one cart and that is driven by the camel. Okay? And where you can find this camel? Yes, in the desert region. Camel is, do you know that camel is also called the ship of the desert? Okay? So the desert is covered with sand. When during the day, the sand becomes too hot. So, the people there use the camel cart to travel. So, the students also sit in this camel cart and go to their school. The next one is bullock cart. See, this is the bullock cart. I think many of you have not seen the bullock cart, because it is now mostly seen in the villages. the people living in the villages use bullock carts, because this is the very slow means of transport, so it is not used in the cities. So people in the villages use these bullock carts to go to the field, carry their goods from one place to another or to the market. And students also sit in these bullock carts and go to their school, enjoying their ride by seeing the greenery all around. And during the rainy season or during the sunny days, how they can protect themselves? Do anyone know? Yes, they use umbrella to protect themselves from rain and sun. So now the next topic is bicycle ride. Oh, everyone's favorite bicycle. See, this is one bicycle. You all are riding the bicycle now, enjoying bicycle ride. And now you are at home, so you are enjoying every time riding bicycle. Who uses this bicycle? So the students, they live far from the school. They come to the school by the bicycle. Okay. In our school also, many of the students are coming to the school by the bicycle. See, today all the girls are also going to the school now. But before that, earlier days girls were not allowed to go to the school. But today, government is also providing bicycles to the girls to encourage them for the education, because education is their right. So the government gives them bicycles so they can go easily to the school. The next one is My School, My Way. The students that are living very far from the school, or the students that are coming from the nearby villages, they face many difficulties to come to the school. So they can come to the school by the bus. See, this is the school bus. Many of you are coming to the school in the school bus, right? All the friends sitting together in the bus and enjoying coming to the school. Our school is also providing this facility of the school bus, so that the students from the far regions, they can come to the school and get education. Okay. The next one is Children Cross the Jungle. Many of the people are living in the nearby the jungle, so they have to cross the jungle to go from one place to another. So children here also have to go to the school by passing through the jungle. If somebody asks us to go from the jungle, then we will feel afraid, na? But the students living there, they are used to, they can easily cross the jungle. While crossing the jungle, they can hear the different sounds of the birds and the animals. Now, the next one is Rocky Path. Where can you find this rocky path? Do you know that? Yes, in the mountain areas. These rocky paths are found in the mountain areas. So people living in the mountain areas have to climb the mountain many times in the day. So they can climb very easily, but we can't climb it easily. We will get tired in the one time only. But so the students also in this region have to climb the mountain and go to the school. In this area, the path is uneven and rocky, so sometimes they fall also. कई बार वो गिर भी जाते हैं ऐसे में. Okay. The next one is ropeway. Have you all seen the ropeway? See, now in the Junagadh also, the government has made a ropeway. If you have seen, then you can see that in the ropeway, it is a trolley joined with a thick wire. Okay? Have you all seen? So, in this ropeway, we can sit in that trolley and easily climb the mountain. At first, If we have to climb the mountain, then we have to go to the stairs. हमें सीढ़ियाँ चढ़नी पड़ती थी. But now in the ropeway, in few minutes you can climb the mountain. So these are the topics of different ways to reach the school. Let's have a quick look. Different ways to reach the school. And what are they? By auto rickshaw, cement bridge, boat, camel cart, bullock cart, bicycle ride, my school, my van, children cross the jungle, rocky path and ropeway. I hope you all have understood till this. Thank you for joining us.